Yeah. What's up, friends? What's going on? Yeah, this another video about the CHF JPY. I just found something. I've been watching it for days, and I can see clearly that it's going to make a little bit of retracement. So how do we take it? Let me see if we're gonna add a kind of lines here to see how we're gonna take this. I guess this is going up. Let's see what happens around here. We've seen some kind of rejection from here. Okay, we have seen it. Where's my line? We have seen it done a kind of separation. It got to this point here. Okay, but now it's right here. Okay, so if we're looking at it like it's gonna go up, I'm breaking this line right here. That's okay. Alright, it's normal to buy it. This can be a kind of when we say no time to wait. Okay, this is a direct buy. I see it. This is a direct buy. Okay, I haven't separated all this while. This is a direct buy. It's not even a pending order anymore. But anywhere we go in, I guess it's gonna end right here. It's gonna end on that line over there. Yeah, it's gonna end here. Okay, but we are not the type of chasing all the moves in the market. We cannot be chasing all the moves in the market. Okay, we just want to get a big advantage in the market. So I think if you separate from here, that's okay. And if you feel you can wait for it to get to this point, that's okay. Because whatever, it's getting to this 2 point. Okay, it's getting to this 2 point right here. So um, this will not be a very long video, as you all know. My analysis video not so long. They are always short videos for you guys to be able to pick something and move with it. So let's keep rocking. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Because I've not been seeing guys subscribing these days. Go share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, man.